And we also need to reach out to the media. Last night I turned on the TV locally and the news came up. It was Channel 7. Is Channel 7 here?
They just left.
Okay. Channel 7's motto is, get the facts right.
Yeah.
Right? Get the facts right. That's why we're here. We're going to help Channel 7 and the politicians of the area, the so-called officials, and the people and the medical practitioners. We're going to help them get the facts right. So learn this data, begin conversations every chance you can. Start to talk about how cannabis can help someone. It can help people who have pain syndromes. I give remedies, balms that are made from cannabis and sprays. I give them to people who have no interest in getting high, who are very conservative, nice, wonderful, salt-of-the-earth rural people, and they have some resistance because of the brainwashing. But once they find out that this helps their pain, one fellow, I gave him a topical therapeutic mud, and he started using it for his terrible rheumatism and arthritis, and his skin cancer started to come off. He said it's more effective against his skin cancer than the topical chemotherapeutic agent he was using. They peel right off using this cannabinoid mud.